Guns coming in by the boat.
Hey!
Them about no pro.
Families
fear them no grow.
Cooking clean. Hey, come with us on your pink seat. Come with us. Come
No much to share. No much to share today.
Hey, auntie said
Hey.
your auntie said your clothes on fire.
Woo! 'Cause I'm doing it for the culture today. Doing it for the culture. Yes! So everybody, I sent a message to Dufton saying, yeah, we're the hoodie today,
Really?
Dufton. We're doing it for the culture, Dufton. We're coming with the pink and you're going to match me. Dufton said, I do it for him chest.
No.
He don't care about no hoodie. He's just doing it for him chest.
Listen to me. My pullovers, you use a different word, my pullovers.
The hoodies. So,
Yeah,
man.
I have one pink shirt, two. I have a pink dress shirt and a pink t-shirt. And the pink t-shirt dirty. You understand what I say? But I do it for the culture too.
So guys, I had a plan. I didn't just come to look like, you know,
No.
cash.
I like the look.
Thank you.
I like the look. I like the look. I smell good too.
Smell good and other things. Hey! I got it.
Welcome to Daytime
I got
Live.
it.
Oh, the song we walked out to was Loco by Sasko. So Sasko, big up yourself, Jeffrey Campbell. And today's Tuesday.
Hey!
And today is World Chocolate Day.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
But I'm always repping the chocolate though.
Funny enough,
A.
my first hotmail
Can I
address.
finish my A?
Yeah, go on A again.
A. All right, I'm done. Go ahead.
My first hotmail address was something about dark chocolate.
Of course it was.
Isn't it?
How old were you? Like 12?
No.
You know.
Due to the coronavirus pandemic, we cannot have any studio audience for a while. But your audience at home, we still want to interact with you and we still want you to participate. So what we want you to do is to send us a video or a photo of you or a family member watching Daytime Live and post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live. So hashtag Daytime Live and tag us on the Instagram stories and we show it on the show. Hold on, before Nishan says anything else, hold on. We have a question that we're going to answer later on. So we're asking you please to go over to our Instagram page and answer the ask us questions.
So the question is today, you can ask the hosts.
Right.
So if you guys want to know how many press-ups Dufton has been doing,
Any
now is
question
a
you
good
want?
time.
Any question?
Any question.
You want to ask us?
Because I'm checking my...
Go over to our Facebook page
and Instagram.
And our Instagram
Don't send
page
me our Duffy. We won't have time right now because it's live.
Send your questions and we will answer them.
Right.
Anyway,
that's right. So like Dufton was just saying on Facebook, guess what? Today we have these photos from, we have Tyrone, D. Stin, P, DJ Stin, P, A. No, negative. P. Watson.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. That's good. He has Saniq and, who's that?
I don't know.
But Saniq is there. That's good.
Oh yeah, that's Buzz.
All right. Yeah. Who else do we have?
Rupert Ennis is next.
Dufton, are you that?
Hey, it's Rupert.
Hey, Rupert, Dufton. Hey. We also have Abigail. Abigail is, hi Abigail, you so cute. Hi. Abigail is repping Saniq and the ocean. I like it.
Wilfred Gibson is up next.
Oh, Wilfred is repping Dufton. Okay.
General.
General. I see it like the TV. Don't remember them TV. Them. I like it. Mm-hmm. And we also have Nicholas Morrison. And Nicholas, it's a bit dark, Nicholas, but we see.
Gathering rules under the disaster risk management orders. Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie announced at a media briefing that the order to close became effective past Monday, which is yesterday. Now, McKenzie condemned the staging of a party at the location on Friday night, which was shared on social media.
Now, McKenzie said videos from the party showed a clear breach of the disaster risk management orders, which do not currently allow for the staging of entertainment events. Devon House has been operating outside of the protocols that have been outlined by the government in regards to its operation. Now, this is what McKenzie said.
Now, the location, the reggae mill, based on information that has been gathered, that it says it has been operating for about 5 weeks, every weekend.
Every weekend.
With numerous parties, with hundreds of people not observing the social distance. A video has gone viral over this weekend showing Reggae Mill at Devon House operating long after the curfew hours, and it's clear that there's little appreciation for the rules that have been laid out. Quick question, Corona still a keep? Or frustration a come out now?
Yo, you see, when everything started, I came on here and I said, if you start this now, this strict and stringent lockdown now, give it a period of time and people are going to start like losing their minds.
We're social
and what's
beings.
happening now, people are losing their minds because Corona is still keeping, it's still happening, it's still just as deadly today as it was when we started. You know what I'm saying? But people just like, I don't care.
So
people are like, I don't care.
So people have stayed home, lost their minds, and going out things that means that they're losing their minds.
They've lost their mind, yeah.
Which
yeah.
5 weeks?
But I'd rather lose my mind than my life though.
5 weeks?
Stay 5 weeks.
5 weeks.
But you know what?
I heard from a birdie that that last weekend in Kingston, Friday night was lit. That's it.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
It's kind of funny. I'm going to laugh
Apparently,
about
there are many places, other places that has been open this weekend, like open until late, and enough people are there. Pack, ram, jam, pack up.
Know this.
What?
This Friday, nah keep.
Corona, yo, I'm really proud of Bro God. Really proud of Sir Andrew, Mr. Wholeness. Really proud that he's stepping up on this and clamping down on it.
Yeah,
and that's what I said earlier. We have to be careful with the mixed messages. You can't on one hand be like, we're opening up, and then on the other hand being like, but we're still locked down. Decide what you're doing, because people will lose their minds.
He wants to do it gradually. You can't move from 0 to 100. Come on, man.
No, but if you're going to put the curfew at, what is the curfew now? 10 o'clock? 11, then just knock off the curfew. 11 o'clock? Because, anyway. So, guys, Kanye West said on Saturday that he's again, for the third time this year, running for president in the 2020 US election. An apparent challenge to go head-to-head with President Donald Trump. He said, and I quote, "We must now realize the promise of America by trusting God, unifying our vision, and building our future." Now, this is what, of course, West tweeted. "I am running for president of the United States, 2020 vision."
West tweeted his plans days after teasing a new song and announcing a new album called God's Country. Fans immediately tweeted their support for the musician and business mogul, who has a history of promoting himself and his projects with political statements. So far, it doesn't appear West has any intention of actually running for president.
Now, here's the thing, guys. With the election only 4 months away, West still needs to register with the Federal Election Commission, present a campaign platform, collect enough signatures to get on the November ballot, and enough more things that he hasn't actually done yet. So my question to you, Dufton, is do you think that he's actually running for president this year? Or do you think the master of, campaign and social media is just doing his thing, his marketing thing, just basically to release his album?
I have just one statement. Kanye West is being Kanye West.
Kanye is being Kanye. I hear that.
That's it.
I hear that.
Like for him, you have to just wait and see.
Yeah. I actually do think that at some point he is going to run for president. I don't think it's this year, but I think at some point when we need a distraction from some other major crisis happening in the world, Kanye will run for president to just take our view or vision over here. So it will happen. I don't think it's going to happen this year. And I also don't believe that it can happen this year because he hasn't really done enough to do anything.
Well, I can tell you something is going to that has been happening
What
this year.
has been happening?
Colin Kaepernick is now in business with Disney. Now, the Mouse House just signed the quarterback to an overall first-look deal, and there's already a docuseries in the works. Disney say the docuseries will feature extensive new interviews and a vast, never-before-seen archive that documents his last 5 years. Kaepernick will tell his story from his perspective. And get this, Jamili Hill, who used to work for ESPN, will be involved in the project as well.
So as for the overall deal, Disney says the partnership will focus on telling scripted and unscripted stories that explore race, social injustice, and the quest for equity, and will also provide a new platform to showcase the work of Black and brown directors and producers. Now, Kaepernick issued a statement saying, "I'm excited to announce this historic partnership with Disney across all of its platforms to elevate Black and brown directors, creators, storytellers, and producers, and to inspire the youth with compelling and authentic perspectives." And he said, "I look forward to sharing the docuseries on my life story in addition to many other culturally impactful projects we are developing."
Yeah.
You know what my thing is for
Yeah.
this? I'm tired of the performative responses of company to a very serious issue without actually addressing the issue at hand, but doing everything else around the issue. So for me,
All right. Yeah. Good luck with that.
yeah, exactly.
Let's see what's...
Right.
So, now for the first time,
Oh,
let's take a look at little
little baby boat in it. Little baby boat.
small bolt of lightning.
Boat of lightning. Oh, she's a little
Listen.
munchkin.
I've been seeing this.
Oh,
I'm going to talk to you and go for a break. This picture
little baby boat.
has been circulating.
Somebody's ovaries is acting
Yeah.
up right now.
Yeah.
Oh my.
It's not Olympia, right. Her name is Olympia Lightning Bolt.
Her name is Lightning Bolt?
Olympia
No,
Lightning Bolt.
I want to focus on the lightning bolt part.
Right.
Lightning bolt.
Yeah.
Yes, and this and we'll be right back talking to Joe Bogdanovich about, yes, Reggae Sumfest. Join us after the break. Stick and stay. We'll soon forward. Baby boat. Love it, so cute.